guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anna. If you're new here, I do makeup reviews, makeup tutorials, skincare, anything beauty related. I got you covered. I apologize, I have a throat lozenge. My throat is scratchy. It's driving me crazy, but it's film day and we gotta keep going, right? Today's video, I'm gonna talk about something that I purchased almost 2 months. No, yeah, it was 2 months ago, and I forgot to review it. It was around the time that Luna came into my life and I bought it and I stored it and then kind of forgot. So today's video, I'm going to talk about the Danessa Myricks Dew Wet Balm in Sweet Water. This is the newest addition to the Dew Wet Balm family. I have the other Dew Wet Balms as well. I will swatch them in this video for you kind of quickly just so you could see them all together. But I want to focus on this one. So if you don't know what Dew Wet Balm is, it is Danessa's highlighter. And it's one of those products that is like super multi-use where you can do it on the eyes for like kind of like a glaze on the eyes. You can do it on the cheeks for a highlight. Now this one is more pigmented. So that's exciting. You can use it on the lips. You can use it on the body. It's basically just to give you a very dewy, glowy look. If you follow me, you know that I love anything highlighter, anything blush, and this is almost like somewhere in the middle. Plus, I love Danessa Myricks. I think she's amazing. She's an amazing makeup artist. I highly encourage that you follow her on Instagram. She's just, it's like watching an artist create beautiful, beautiful art. And she's got a very light hand, so, you know, I love her. Okay, let's talk about Sweet Water. So, if you've purchased Dew Wet Balm in the past, the packaging has changed. I have the older packaging. Let me show you. The older packaging. This one is the new packaging. It has like this little pretty, it almost has like a diamond-esque difference. I don't know. The packaging is definitely cute. So, I still have the old ones. Love this formula. I have it in 3 other colors. Plus, I had purchased rose water when I bought Sweet Water. But again, we're focusing on this one. Alright, this is like a coral highlight. This is what the color looks like. It's coral. There's like a little bit of gold in it. Absolutely beautiful. This formula usually tends to be like pretty transparent. But I'm going to swatch it on my hand here. And then we're going to cut to up close swatches so you can see all of them. The only one I don't have is I forgot what it's called, but it's like a pinkish purple shift, and I don't like highlighters like that. So I'm gonna take my finger. I can't believe this is the first time I'm swatching this after having it for like 2 months. That's what it looks like on my finger. And then think of color like the way a watercolor is. It's very sheer. Oops. And of course it like blends into my skin. So let's get into swatches and then we're going to come back and I'm going to apply it to my face. Alright, here I have all of the Dew Wet Balms. I'm going to start off by swatching the new ones. This one is called Sweet Water, and this is like a coral sort of tint. Look how pretty that is. So I'm going to take some on my finger. That's a heavy swatch. Oh, on my finger. And then I'm going to just blend. So you can see it's got a nice coral tint to it, but it has a very high shine, glossy finish. This one is Rose Water. See how pretty that is? Next is Morning Dew. This is like, it's clear, but it has like a pale gold shift to it. It's really beautiful too. All of these just catch the light so nice. But see what I mean though? Like now it starts to get sheer. Now you're getting like that reflection from the sparkle that's in there. Hot water. Absolutely beautiful. It's great on like rich, deep skin tones because of the like little shimmer in it. But honestly, it works with everybody. Ay. No. Sorry, guys. Luna just jumped on my back and tried to climb the top of the light box. Let me get a heavier swatch. See what I mean? It has like this like bronzy shimmers in it. Excuse you. And last but not least is clear. Oh yeah, all that noise you're hearing in the background is little Miss Luna. That one's totally clear, but you get that nice glossy high shine. Let me do a little bit more. I swear she was so quiet earlier today. I don't know why she's being so rambunctious now. So those are all the swatches. Sweet water, rose water, morning dew, hot water, and clear. All right, so you see what I mean by the swatches? They are sheer, barely there, but they just leave the skin with the most beautiful, dewy glow. If you don't like dewy glow, you're not gonna like this. If you do love dewy glow, this is it. All right, so I'm gonna take some and I'm going to, ooh, oh my goodness. I did not blend out my foundation very good. I had like that line there that whole time. All right, I'm gonna come in and I'm just gonna start applying it. So this product, you can use your fingers, you can use a brush, whatever you're comfortable with. I am comfortable with my fingers. I'm gonna take some and just start applying. So on me, it's a very, very soft hint of coral. Now, on somebody who's fair, like porcelain fair, it's gonna have like this, you're gonna see the coral more. On me, you just see it very subtle. Probably because I have more of a tan now. But look how beautiful. Now, one thing I want to mention that I've seen people say in regards to the Dew Wet Balms, they say that when you put it on, it messes with your foundation or whatever makeup you have on. Wait until your foundation is on, your blush is on. Like, this needs to be the last thing you put on your face. When you're applying it, if you notice, I'm picking it up, I'm pressing. I'm almost doing like a stipple motion, or stipple and then kind of softly pull. I release the pressure of my finger onto my skin. If you go and rub it, by all means, any product you put on top of foundation is gonna move, it's gonna shift. Don't do that with this. This is a very emollient product. Just tap, tap, tap. Just like that. It did not mess with my foundation underneath. And it just gave me this gorgeous glow. Like this is Dew Wet Balm. Now I'm going to show you on the other side, because I would say out of the other ones, rose water does have, you know, some pigment to it. I'm going to take my finger, same thing. Just so you can kind of see the difference in the glow. I wasn't planning on doing two different swatches, but here we are. Like this one has almost like a cool rose tint to it. It sort of reminds me of the Jones Road Dusty Rose. But I think it's I don't know. It's slightly more pigmented, but not as cool. So see how this one gave me a little bit of like a rosy tint versus this one, coral. I just wanted to show you both because I feel like as I'm looking in the camera, like I see color, but I don't see color. But then here, like I see color and I see a glow. So just kind of wanted to show you that. The clear one is just straight clear. This one has like what is this called? Morning Dew has like a pale gold like shift to it, but it's still really beautiful. And then one of my all-time favorites is Hot Water. Hot Water is beautiful on everybody. It's absolutely stunning. But you get like this like super dewy, juicy glow. I know somebody's gonna ask, does your hair stick to it? Not really, not annoyingly. If you overdo it, it will. But I'm not really overdoing it, so beautiful. Let me know if you guys are gonna try it. If you have any questions, comments, or requests, anything Danessa Myricks you want me to try, let me know. Comment down below. One of my favorite lines. I'm still exploring it. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this helpful, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.